Wanna know how to use the Yoast SEO for better SEO and tags? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can use it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your WordPress.com site and make sure you are under your WP admin. Now, once you're under your WP admin, just simply hit towards plugins right here and make sure you have installed Yoast SEO. So if you haven't, you can just simply select add plugin, hit towards your store and install it. So once you have installed SEO, the Yoast SEO, we have also created a video on how to install it, so make sure to watch it. Now you can just simply activate it by selecting activate right here. So mine is deactivate for now, but instead of deactivate, there should be activate. So once you selected activate, just simply hit towards pages, and then you can just simply select a page, an existing page, or the page that you want to create on a new page. Now once the page editor opens up, here on the top right side you should be seeing this Yoast symbol right here, so you can just simply select it. Now under Yoast symbol here, you can just simply see on the right side Yoast SEO tab should be opened up, and under you can just simply see key phrase. This is your SEO tags, so you can just simply select anything or the main or primary key phrase that your tab or your blog is about. So for me it's sample, so once you select sample, you can select get related key phrases, and it will sort up another window for more key phrases. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Your analysis is given here, and your readability analysis and much more is given here as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.